Hi everyone, I am Suhan and today we are gonna see minimization technique, one of the popular minimization technique and how it is implemented. So without wasting any time, let's get started. On the screen, you can see Quinn-McCluskey implementation. First, we will see why we use Quinn-McCluskey minimization technique. First of all, we use minimization technique to reduce the number of gates used. And next, we also need a minimization technique which can be made in a form of algorithm. Means it should be non-ambiguous and also have a finite step and it should end at a time. Now we will see this algorithm. First we will see how it works. I am here on the CMD. For running the program we will call the exe file and run it. Now it asks for how many literals are there. Suppose I have a 4 literals, then it asks for how many minterms are there. For this question we are taking 10 minterms. After it asks for to enter the minterms which should have space in between. So I will enter the minterms. Is there any don't care conditions? For first question we will see that we will take no don't care question, so 0. And after running it you can see that it gives the final answer or the minimized answer boolean expression. But more important is that it also gives step by step solution. Means first it gives all the minterms and their respective binary code. After that it also gives the first group representation so that you can see which terms are in which group, and then it merges them and gives the second step or the second group. After that it will merge till it finds that no merging is possible. Here you can see that it then merges with this. For suppose 0 1 can merge with 2 3 as one variable is different and dash is at last. So here you can see 0 1 2 3, after merging it became 0 0 dash dash, and hence it also suggests us which term was left out. Here you can see that 14 was given as a mean term. 14 was given as a mean term, but it was not seen at last group here. So we also have to consider 14. So to consider 14 we add that. So at last we can also see the table that 0 has occurred 2 times, 1 has occurred 4 times, and so on. And it is the last equation. And now for don't care conditions we again run the program. This time we will be giving 4 literals. The number of minterms will be 5. The minterms are 1 3 7 11 15. After that we will give don't care condition 3, as 3 don't cares are present. The don't cares are 0 2 5. After that you can see here that don't cares are marked with a star with the digit. Then when we merge it, it gives which terms are merged and every step. And at last we don't take the don't case, only we take the mean terms here, as 1 3 7 11 15 are the entered mean terms. At last we get the minimized equation. And for the program we can see here that it uses only a struct to store mean terms and value. Here value represents the current state or the current value, like for 3 11 7 15 in group 2 it will be the mean term and this will be the value. Now after that these are the support functions to print group minterm states in their representation. And the display formatted answer takes the last value and converts it into a readable format like ABCD. And for the code itself, here is the header, then the setup means we take numbers from the user, and then we make group from the numbers. For making the group, we call a function minterm and count. This function uses bit masking to convert a number to a binary, and bit masking is also used in creating subsets. If you search on Google, you can get many videos on bit masking. I highly recommend that for watching that video. And after that, we add respective group to the map we have created. This map stores group number and the group. Now after that, we print the groups, and then a while loop is used to merge. Till the new group is not same as the old group. The merge group element is declared up and the definition is down. After seeing this code, you can contact me for how the logic works, as it cannot be a one-way interaction for the merge group element logic. And also, if you need the code, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.